Hey friends, this is part 2 of the video. I've got the part number here as KDH240002. This one does have a kind of gold plated sheen on it. So what you're going to want to do is loosen up this screw right here and this screw right here to go ahead and install it into place. So I'm gonna put the video on pause because I only got 2 hands. Okay, so you're gonna want to loosen up this screw here, and looks like there are 2 holes right here and right here to hold in the controller board. So what you're gonna want to do is run the cable through. Just feed as much of it as you can through. This one has a little bit different pins, but I'm sure it's still 5 pins at the end. Should work just fine. Run the cables through here. If you have any cable ties, you can pin them up here for cable management. And then pin them right here for more cable management. And then you're gonna want to connect this part right here to this part. And just follow the instructions in part 1 of the video. Okay, so just plugged in this part to up here for the headrest, because this is dual action. The 5-pin connector to here, and to this Y cable down here. Go ahead and screw this into place. Make sure you have the orientation correct, just so it looks and functions properly. You're gonna want it to be matching, of course. Go ahead and put the video on pause so I can get that little screw out that's stuck in the leather. One of the screws has like this padding on it. I'm gonna go ahead and use a box cutter to kind of cut through. So just picking up where we left off, you're gonna want to screw it in here and here. Make sure it's nice and firm, and then you're gonna go ahead and put on your faceplate, and that's about it. So you're gonna, it's got a couple of clip-in points, so you push it in. It clips in pretty nicely. You're gonna want to make sure it's pretty snug. Moment of truth. Alright, sorry for the bad angle. Ta-da! Cool. Awesome.